Take the next road on the right. Hey guys, we're with our main man Kaleem. I'm sure you guys know who he is. And we have some really good news today. Kaleem, tell us what the news is.
Well, basically, I passed the driving test today.
That's his
Yes,
certificate. How was it? Nice and easy?
Yeah, it was.
We're now just going to do the parallel park on this car here in front of us. Hey guys, welcome to FM Driving School. You're with me, your fully qualified driving instructor FM. Today we're going to do a mock test with one of our students. You've probably seen his older video before where he did a mock test previously. And if you watched that video, it didn't really go to plan. We made a lot of mistakes in that video. Let's see how he's improved since then. And you're going to see a new version of the same student. And let's see how he gets on with this driving mock test. You're going to get some really good news at the end as well. Don't forget guys to like, share and subscribe with FM Driving School. If you do also go to the site fmdrivingschool.co.uk, you get so many tips, so many advice, so many structured lessons in how your driving lesson would be, so many tips on how to pass a driving test. So do check out fmdrivingschool.co.uk. Okay, Colin, we're going to do a mock test. It's going to be about roughly 40 minutes long. So do drive independently. And I'll tell you about your mistakes at the end. So unlike a lesson where we go through the mistakes, we're going to do it right at the end. Is that okay?
Okay.
So before we start, the examiner may ask you a question. For example, how would you check the front demister is working? What would you do? Or how do you turn it on?
We'll turn the front demisters on and then turn it off.
Good. Okay. Whenever you're ready, move off from here and let's go straight down this road. Take the next road on the right, please. Find somewhere safe to stop, please. Okay, move off from here, please. The end of the road, turn right. Turn left at this road. Take the next road on the right. Find somewhere safe to stop. We're now just going to do the parallel park on this car here in front of us.
Okay, move on from here.
And that's the end of part 1. Hopefully that was quite beneficial. You saw how our student did the parallel park there in the end. We're going to carry on with part 2 and the full mock driving test with our student. Don't forget guys, you can always comment below any questions that you have, or go to our site fmdrivingschool.co.uk and leave me a message there as well. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe with FM Driving School.